welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my small try on Fashion Nova haul. I ordered a few things in Fashion Nova maybe like 2 weeks ago, so I just wanted to show you guys a few of the pieces that I ordered. Also, I wanted to help someone with the sizing so that way they can see what size I am to see what size they would need to get, if that makes any sense. So if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. So the first thing I want to talk about is these jeans. They're the classic high-waist skinny jeans in blue wash. They retail for $39.99. I got them in a size 1. I probably could have got a size 2, but they fit really nice. They're very stretchy, and they're just a nice high-waisted jeans that you can wear every day. I also got the bandeau in the color white and in the size extra small. It retails for $12.99. It's super cute. I love the way it fits. The only downside is the fact that it's very see-through, but other than that, it's super cute. So now we're going to talk about the Caroline high-rise jeans in the color black. They retail for $24.99. They fit exactly like the high-rise blue denim wash. They're just black. Like I said, they fit like a glove. They're very stretchy, and you can wear these pretty much every day. I also got Talk That Talk Off shoulder top in black in the size extra small. It retails for $19.99. As you can see, it's a little see-through, so I would definitely wear maybe an off-the-shoulder bra or maybe the little chicken cutlets, so that way you can't see it. But other than that, it fits me really nice. I love the way it looks. You could dress it up or dress it down. So the next thing I got was this 2-piece set, the Wonderlist hoodie and leggings in the size extra small. They both retail for $19.99 each. This is super cute. You could pretty much wear it for any season. I'm wearing it in the winter time now and it's keeping me warm. It looks very cute, very fashionable. It's really see-through, but it keeps you warm. It has like a corduroy feel to it. So the next thing that I got is the Nova Season jumpsuit in the color charcoal. It's in the size extra small and it retails for $19.99. I think this is really nice. You can pretty much wear it anywhere. You can wear it to work out in the gym. You can wear it to go run your errands, throw a nice little jacket over it. I think it's super comfy and it's just really nice. The next thing that I got is the Nova Season jumpsuit in the color Heather Gray. It's the same exact one as the other one, just in a different color. It's in the size extra small and it also retails for $19.99. Again, it's a little see-through, but it's really comfortable and it's like an everyday type of lounge attire. Please don't mind my bra strap. Normally I would wear this without a bra, but with the lighting and stuff like that on camera, you can definitely like see through it. Okay guys, so we got to the end of my video. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that way when I post a new video, you guys can get notified. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms so that way we can become friends. Until next time, deuces. So now we're just going to put that all over our section, and I like to focus on the ends the most because that's where I get the most dry. So now I just like to rake all the products through my hair. I feel like this makes my curls look the best.